Hello guys, I'm Shaima. In this tutorial video, I will teach you how to do plaster ceiling. Like in this image, you can see there's a profile here. Okay, so we are going to use custom ceiling. So you guys can go to customize function, then go to ceiling. Once you enter ceiling function, you can double click your ceiling layer. Just double click. So it will enter this customize mode. On the top right corner here, you can see your 3D view. You can drag the corner to enlarge the view. Okay, so currently this is our blank ceiling. So first things first, you can draw any shape using straight lines. So I will draw a slanted ceiling like this. Then you can right click to cancel. You can select this line, right click and turn to arc. Okay, then you can select and adjust the radius. You see these yellow dots in the middle? You can drag inside to adjust the radius. Then you can select this side, and on the right side you will see this region box. Okay, so you can see off the top and elevation. Off the top is 300, elevation is 2005. Okay, so if you sum up these two, it will be 2008. Same as our wall height. So currently my wall height is 2008. So you can select this side and you can adjust off the top. This one I will change it to 0. Enter. Then you will see the gap. Okay, this side will go up. This side, the height is 300. Okay, you can see got different level. Then you can select the line. On the right side, you can go to section edit. Go to section edit. So this is a side profile of your ceiling. You can see current height is 300 mm. Then you can go to section library on the left side. Okay, you can go to decorative line and you can find any cornice profile from here. You can see this example. So I will use this profile. Okay, then you just drag inside. Then you can just drag inside. You will automatically see these 3 boxes. Okay, usually I will drag to this corner, this box over here. Then you can select the cornice. On the right side, you can change the size and you can rotate it. Okay, so first thing first, you can click this unlock button. So you can adjust the height and the width one by one. Okay, the height I will follow the ceiling height, 300. Enter. And the width I will adjust 150. Enter. Okay, so it will be like this. Then to make it slanted, you can try rotate it. You can see this 45-degree button. Click, you can rotate it. And you can change the position. Okay, maybe you can increase the height, 350. Okay, so I will place it like this. The corner will be covered with the ceiling layer. Same thing with this side, it will cover with the ceiling layer. Only show the curved side here. Okay, if you click complete, this is how it looks like from the front side. You can select and change the color down here. Okay, select and change the color. Then you can do the same thing to the right side. Again, double click the ceiling. This time you can select this straight line, go back to section edit, select the same profile and drag inside. Just repeat the step. And don't forget to adjust the position. Then you can click complete. Okay, you can select the cornice and change the color. So it will look something like this. So the section edit function is quite universal. You can also do something like this mushroom shaped ceiling. Okay, and it's fall all the way to the floor. You can go back to the ceiling layer. This one I will just delete. Okay, then you can draw circle shape. Then you can select the circle shape and drop down. You can see elevation 2008. So you can drop it down 2008 here. So it will drop down all the way to the floor. You can see in a 3D view. Then you can select the surface. Okay, go to section edit. Then you can select any cornice profile. Make sure it's a curved shape. Like this one. So I will drag in the corner as well. Okay, so this one you need to zoom a bit to select the cornice. And remember, unlock this size first. And you can adjust the height. This one I will follow the ceiling height, 2800. And then here I will change 300 for the width. Okay, then here you can try rotate it to make it slanted like this. And remember, you need to adjust the height, increase the height. Okay, so here I will rotate around 20 degree. Okay, you can keep on rotating and adjusting the size until it forms a mushroom shape. Then you can click complete. Okay, then to add on lighting around it, you can just select the circle and then you can try offset it. Just copy the circle outside of the cornice like this. Then you can select the outside layer, drop down a bit. Okay, you can drop down the ceiling a bit, maybe around 200 or 300. Enter. Then it will create a hole around the cornice. Then you can select the second layer here in the middle and you can just tick generate light. Generate light. Then this light strip you can tick half. So when you render, you will see got light coming out from the second layer. Okay, remember you can adjust the temperature, color, and the brightness down here. Okay, then you can click complete and render. This one also you can select and change the color here. Alright, not only ceiling layer, you can also custom your floor layer using the ceiling function. Okay, so I will show you example. This one I will delete first. Okay, to edit the floor, you can double click the flooring. Double click the floor. So this is our empty floor. You can create something like this. Okay, so you can draw any rectangle shape. Let's say I draw here around 900. Okay, then you can stretch it up, stretch the surface upward. You can adjust inside bulge or elevation. Remember, elevation is the height from the floor. So since it's our flooring, you can adjust inside elevation, not off the top. Okay, so elevation, you can increase it around 600 or 800, up to you. Then you can adjust the corner. Okay, chamfer this corner, select all, and then change to this outer fillet and adjust the radius. Say 400, enter. Okay, it will look something like this. Then you can go to section edit here. You can drag a curve profile. I will use this one, a curve profile inside. And you can zoom in, select the cornice profile and adjust the sizing. I will follow the table size. The height is 800. Enter. And then the width is around 200. And then you can adjust the position and click complete. So this is how it looks like. Remember, you can always change the color in here. For the tabletop here, maybe you can drag finishing from library, or you can just drag another panel on top. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Alright guys, I hope you learned something watching this video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.